A huge round of applause for Dr. Palak Bhandari.
So guys, how many of you believe in the power of manifestation? I want to say something that is very, very close to my heart today. So I was just passing by here and Dr. Velumani, who we had invited as one of our speakers, but he was not able to come. That's why, that slot was cancelled. I was very disappointed at that time, sir. But today, when I saw you pass by here, I literally didn't know what happened and how that happened. I really believe in the power of manifestation. I have received one of the awards just in January through you, and your talk has really, really, really inspired me a lot. Just to see you pass by here today, I really felt that there is something really magical in what has happened today at the Dental Spotlight 2025. So this is a very impromptu thing. Sir really had a bag with him and I told him that no, sir, can you just come on stage for 10 minutes, shake the crowd because he has the power that no one does. You might think that he's a founder, but just open his social media and see the kind of power that his social media has, the kind of inspiration that he is for everybody in this country today. So sir, it's a pleasure for me to have you here. It's a miracle that has happened today and I cannot thank you enough.
Ladies and gentlemen, let's welcome Dr. Velumani on stage.
Namaskar. Namaskar. Right.
Hello. All the podcast studios will be shut. Everybody has to be inside because this is a very miraculous moment for the Dental Spotlight 2025. So we want every single person who is come to the Dental Spotlight 2025 to celebrate this moment with us.
Thank you, ladies and gentlemen. ऐसा सुना था कोई लड़का शादी में गया था और शादी होकर he became the what you call groom. Like that, I was just passing through. I just now got down from the Indigo, and this is the shortest route. And when it came inside, I saw this brand I have heard somewhere. And just 15 days back, my team asked me, sir, you want to go to this event? I said, 5 lakh nahi to main nahi jaunga. And let me tell you, it's your luck. You got it free. And it is also my luck that I have to wait for another 1.5 hours for checking in. I got a time to talk to you. So this is again, you rejected a girl and then your parents arranged for a girl and you went inside and you found that she is the same girl, right? Yeah, I was a farmer by birth. Then I was a mathematician by education. Then I became a scientist in Baba Atomic Research Center, Mumbai. Then after 13 years, I left the job and then became an entrepreneur without knowing what is the meaning of it. At an age of 37, fortunately, I had patience. Had I started earlier, probably I might have been not successful. Just invested a 2 lakh rupee into thyroid, in which I had my MSc and PhD in thyroid biochemistry. So it all happens. जिंदगी में हम जो सोचते हैं कभी होते ही नहीं है, जो हो ही जाता है हम कभी सोचा भी नहीं था. So got in, my wife was working with State Bank of India. She was annoyed that I resigned job without discussing with her. In life, either you can discuss or decide, you can't do both. So my wife said, अगर आप अगर आप कल से ड्यूटी पे नहीं जाएगा, मैं भी नहीं जाऊंगी. So we both left the job on the same day. One is government job, BRC job, another is State Bank of India job, India's largest PSU. No, it's not PSU, it's literally a government bank. But then सिर्फ 2 ही लाख डाला था. किसने बोला बिजनेस बनाने के लिए पैसा चाहिए? नहीं है. जिसके पास पैसा होता है वो पैसा नहीं बना सकता है. जिसका पास स्टैमिना होता है वो बहुत बना सकता है. So I didn't have money, but I came to Mumbai, was fortunately poor, fortunately from village. I was not a pampered kid. And then I got in. I did something which you must know for you to understand how you can navigate your journey. One thing I did was I priced it at the lowest. Because I am not a medical man, I am not a pathologist, I am not a Marwadi Gujarati, I am only a Madrasi. So कौन मुझे सैंपल देगा? देखता है सबसे लो रेट देख के देखता है लोग मुझे सैंपल देता है. क्या आई फोकस्ड ओनली ऑन B2B, नॉट B2C, बिकॉज B2C नीड्स शो, B2B डजंट नीड एनी शो. आई डिडंट हैव मनी, fortunately. Look at it every time. And in B2B I kept the lowest. Mind you, that is the only single mistake I have done in my life to become a billionaire. Keep a good quality, keep the lowest rate, you will be the billionaire. And keep the same rate, give the best quality, you will be the billionaire. There is no third way of doing billionaires. So I was knowing what's the quality, and I had a 15 years of research experience. And the tag BRC scientist, PhD in thyroid biology, felt, chalo, isko denge. And I kept my name not as Velumani Pathology Laboratory, not in my wife's name, Sumati Pathology Laboratory, not in my girlfriend's name, Kaveri Pathology Laboratory. I had put it as Thyrocare. All in thyroid, only thyroid. That was the punchline. I think लोग पूछते थे ये 15 ग्राम ग्लैंड है, इसमें रोटी मिलेगा क्या? मैंने बोला 125 करोड़ थायराइड मेरा ही है. That's the power of looking at it. I felt once, you know, those days there was a brand called Mongenis. जब भी मैं जवान था, पता नहीं अभी है क्या नहीं है. They sold only cake. I sold only thyroid. Want to listen to that punchline? Please note it. If you do everything, it is a short-term security. If you do only one thing, it will be the long-term prosperity. So I focused on only thyroid. Number 1, lowest price. Number 2. Number 3, I started the business in pager days. There was no internet. आप लोग सोचते होंगे कस्टमर कहाँ से मिला? Let me tell you, those days or these days, marketing is easier. Only thing is today the customer has a different way of receiving message. Those days it was different. For entire country, I ran a single laboratory sitting in Mumbai. I don't think anybody must have imagined. For 1.5 billion population, 1.25 then, अभी 25 और बढ़ गया. Single lab. That was very bold decision because fortunately मेरा पास पैसा नहीं था सभी जगह में लैब डालो. और एक बार रेट कम कर दिया. Why Ganges goes from Gangotri to Howrah? Gradient. एक बार प्राइस कम रख लिया तो पूरा दुनिया आता है. सिंगल लैब फॉर अ बिलियन पॉपुलेशन. फ्रेंचाइजी कॉन्सेप्ट किसी ने सोचा भी नहीं था फ्रेंचाइजी करके क्या होता है. I felt, let me think about it. If I have to go to Kolhapur, Solapur or Berhampur, Madrasi cannot market. I have to identify a local man. And I found a local man. देखो मार्केट 600 रुपया चार्ज करता है, तुम 300 चार्ज करो, 200 रख लो, सिर्फ मुझे 100 रुपया दे दो. वो बेहोश होके गिर गया. जब भी उठा वो भूल गया 600 नहीं लेना है, 300 ही लेना है. He took 600. He kept 500. He gave me only 100. मेरे पियर्स बोलते थे, मेरे परिवार बोलते थे, तुम उसको धनवान बना रहा है। अगर उसको धनवान नहीं बनाया तो मैं कहाँ धनवान बनूंगा। पंच लाइन, इफ यू वांट टू बिकम अ बिलियनर you must create 1,000 millionaires. There is no other way. You can't sit alone and create anything more than $1 million. So जो जीतता है वो शायद हार सकता है, लेकिन जो जिताता है वो कभी हारता नहीं है। लोगों को जिताना कोशिश करो। So franchisee concept worked very well. When he got up, unconscious, he got up. Then he thought his wife is also a graduate. So he is from Pune. So see, he asked Sangli for his wife. Then he found out he has a girlfriend. Aurangabad. One more. She had a boyfriend, Satara. Have you noticed how the networking goes? Most powerful in 500 days. 500 franchises in the country was made only because रेट कम रखा था। जो खोना चाहता है वो कभी खोता नहीं है, जो खोने से डरता है वो कभी पाता नहीं है। So that was the way in which I did it. And then a standing machine is a liability and a running machine is an asset. That is why Uber came into picture. Uber was standing, taxis were standing for 20 hours. And running only for 4 hours in a day before Uber came in. Now ulta. They run for 20 hours. Customer खुश, driver खुश, the app वाला चलाता है वो भी खुश, मालिक भी खुश। थायराइड टेस्टिंग मशीन 2 घंटा चल रहा था रोज, मैं 20 घंटा चलाया। Taken the lowest in the entire healthcare in the world, India is cheapest. Don't you agree? In entire India, I am the cheapest. And my balance sheet had hundreds of crores of profit. My competitors are somewhere sitting there. Some concepts which I made very unique, and I also tell you I have done a McDonald's. McDonald's doesn't do masala dosa. It only does burgers. It's not that it does not know how to make masala dosa. It doesn't want to do it. In pathology, there are 2 segments. One is diseases, another is disorders. I don't think anybody saw that clearly. I thought I will not touch diseases, I will only touch disorders. Diseases come, diseases go. Disorders come, they never go. Once customer, lifelong customer. Jab customer goes up, customer goes away. Got clarity. I think you need to look things very, very clearly so that you can confidently work. I have done Walmart. Walmart doesn't make profit from the customer. It makes profit from the vendor because it asks for millions of pieces of LCD. I also, when I was in my peak, I was doing 100,000 thyroid tests each day. Reagent cost 50% low, 60% low. So the profit should never come from customer's pocket. It should come from the floor efficiency. If it comes from the customer's pocket, any time it can be stopped by the competitor. But if it comes from the floor efficiency, it's a lifelong business. So, Velumani did not have money, did not borrow money, did not take money from investors. Jiddita. I have never employed even one experienced in my organization. All people who worked in my organization, I was the first employer. That was because in 1978, when I went for interviews, every stupid asked the same question. Do you have experience? गधे मई महीना में एग्ज़ाम ख़त्म हुआ, जून महीना में मैं एक्सपीरियंस कहाँ से लाऊं? It's almost like asking a girl whom you are likely to marry, कितने बच्चे हैं तुम्हारी? I took a decision 1978. अगर मैं एक दिन बिजनेसमैन, उस जमाना में एंटरप्रेन्योर का शब्द नहीं था, बिजनेसमैन बनो तो सिर्फ फ्रेशर को ही काम पे लो, एक्सपीरियंस को कभी नहीं लूँगा। पूरा 25 साल 25,000 फ्रेशर को काम पे लिया हूँ। That's a journey, ladies and gentlemen. There is a stupid answer every entrepreneur gives. What is the single largest block you have in your business? सब आदमी नहीं मिलता है, आदमी नहीं मिलता है हिंदुस्तान में, जर्मनी में थोड़ी मिलेगा। अरे 1.5 बिलियन बांद्रा स्टेशन में जाके ट्रेन का अंदर चढ़ के देख, आदमी मिल रहा है या जगह नहीं मिल रहा है। देन ही टेल्स, साहब आदमी तो मिलता है लेकिन एक्सपीरियंस नहीं मिलता है। देन आई आस्क हिम अ क्वेश्चन, सो बच्चा चाहिए, अपना चाहिए, एम्प्लॉय चाहिए और किसी के चाहिए? Then he understands this man is a very naughty man. Then he comes up with one more answer. सब आदमी मिलता है, ट्रेन करता हूँ, लेकिन कॉम्पिटिटर लेके जाता है। या if you don't love your spouse, your neighbor will. So please take care of your employee, otherwise your competitor will. So all freshers, no equity came inside the company. As I said, the lowest in the world and still the most powerful balance sheet. I went for an IPO and I got 75 times oversubscribed in that IPO in 2016. तभी लोगों को पता चला ये थायरोकेयर तो मद्रासी चलाता है। उस जमाने में अवार्ड्स नहीं थे, आज हर दिन ताज सांता क्रूज में अवार्ड ही अवार्ड है। So that's the journey it was. And then I became a $1 billion company during the COVID. तभी किसी ने बोला, पूछा थायरोकेयर मिलेगा क्या? मैं ये रेट देगा तो मैं आई एम रेडी। मेरा नसीब था, उसने हाँ बोला और वेलुमनी exited. 65% of the stock of $1 billion was 5,000 crore single check. I got it. And that's the story of from 500 rupees which I brought to Mumbai in 1982. I think going out with 5,000 crore was a very powerful exit. Single largest healthcare industry deal I have done. मद्रासी मुंबई में बैठकर हुक्म चलाया। राइट, गाँव वाला नेशनल स्टॉक एक्सचेंज में लिस्टेड कंपनी का एमडी बना और मैथमेटिशियन पैथोलॉजी में डिसरप्ट किया और सरकारी बाबू became literally a billionaire, right? So everything is possible if you can focus. Listen to me, कोई मद्रासी ऐसा नहीं होता है कि स्टेज में खड़ा रह के पंच लाइन बोलता है। मी मराठी पण बोलतो, कोणी आहे का? मजा काय? I think everything is focus, right? I did not know where thyroid was. I was a mathematics student. Listen to me, आदमी एक बार डिसीजन लेता है, जिद्द होता है, वो कुछ भी कर सकता है। I wish all of you a wonderful journey. I've been interacting with some of the dental units CEOs. They are confused, and I think you are also still in a confused state. Only when you make a system it can be replicated. Without creating a system you can never replicate, you will collapse. And system creation is very powerful. No one thought pathology laboratory can be a nationwide brand. I made it. And I believe it can be made only when you create a good system controlled by IT, enabled by IT, managed by IT, and then you make sure every junior dentist comes out of medical college is coming to you You tell him this is your responsibility, this is our responsibility. You will only operate, I will only have the brand, and there are plenty of people waiting for someone to give an opportunity for them to remain self-employed. So if Lee Meridian Hotel runs 2,000 hotels across the globe, if KFC operates in 10,000 outlets in Asia alone, I think dentistry also can be done. Dentists are in, especially medical community, are having a negative feeling. जो मैं कर सकता हूँ वो मैं ही कर सकता हूँ, दूसरा कोई नहीं कर सकता है. I think that means you will lifelong suffer. Punchline, don't forget this for your life. जो काम करते हैं वो बुढ़े होते हैं, जो काम कराते हैं वो बड़े होते हैं. बैठ के काम कराओ तभी कुछ बात बनेगा. ऐसा तो माइक मिलता है तो ऑलमोस्ट I talk for an hour. I was surprised that as soon as I came inside, I was seen like an Amitabh Bachchan or Rajinikanth, I don't know. But then I think all are slaves to love. And I thank you for all for loving me, or having me as your, for many I am a mentor. And I put a lot of stuff in the YouTube and various other communications. I only started my Instagram in last March. 17 months, 2.6 million followers is बुड्ढे को Instagram में. I never thought. That means the communication is working. Learn to tell story. Am I a good storyteller? I am the second best storyteller in the country. भाइयों और बहनों, thank you very much for the love and affection. God bless you.
Thank you so much, sir. Like you said, you're not the Rajnikant or Amitabh Bachchan, sir. You're the one and only Narendra Modi from South India. Ladies and gentlemen, can we have a huge round of applause
No.
for Dr. Velumani?
She got carried away by this beard. And let me tell you, I would love to remain as Rajnikant. And I would love to work until I am 80. His movie came last week. I have not announced it in any stage in India. Today I make an announcement. Velumani 2.0 is coming. Right? And wait for the thrill. My children ask me, Dad, you are getting again back into business. Is it for money or is it for fame? I said, I have enough money. I have enough fame. Then what it is for? Thrill. You understand what is thrill? I left Mumbai in 1982 to come to Mumbai only for thrill. Otherwise, there was enough to eat. I left government job, cozy government job, gazetted officer post, only for thrill. I left the company, most profit-making company, zero debt company, fastest growing company, highest PE multiple company, only for thrill. And if I am back, it's also only for a thrill. Let's enjoy next 10-15 years. Let us change. India only can change the way in which healthcare can be done in the entire world. No one else can. As much as Arabic countries control oil, we have such a huge population. We can create scale, economies of scale. Is that clear? And medical tourism, India will be the leader because we are the lowest. Improve the hygienic aspects of the business. पूरा दुनिया अपने कदमों में आएंगे. Thank you.
Ladies and gentlemen, sir, to felicitate Dr. R. Velumani, before that, I would like to thank you, sir, for being here. And there is a request, there is a high demand request from all the audiences, Dr. Gibran and me as well. We would like to take a selfie. We would like to take a selfie with you on stage and with the entire panel of audiences here. Ladies and gentlemen, can we please have that? Before we take the selfie, can we have Dr. Palak and Dr. Vikas Agarwal on stage as well, sir? So, big fan of Thyrocare. My entire family, we all take thyroxine medicine every day morning. Too much problem.
The punchline until they reach the stage. I focus so much on thyroid, it literally became an android. Number one. Number two, I'm the only man in the entire world who built a brand around a single gland, that is thyroid. People ask me, 15 ग्राम ग्लैंड है, इसमें रोटी मिलेगा क्या? Let me tell you, 15 ग्राम ग्लैंड में एक बिलियनर बना है. बाकी जो बॉडी है 100 किलो है, 1 ट्रिलियन अंदर बचा है. अपनी बिलियन उसमें ढूंढो. Enough is there.
Thank you so much, sir. We'll have the selfie. Guys, we'll have a selfie and a video. Can we please have some noise? Everyone. Thank you so
Even
much, sir.
before giving the mic back, I want you people to understand what my opinion about your industry. I recently was invited in Chennai for a dental clinic inauguration. I sat with them for 2 hours and studied what are the challenges in scaling up. I think finally when I came out, I was sitting in my car. I felt there is one wonderful business model for you. The scaling is scalable. Is that clear? Scaling is a common man's problem. Scaling is needed for every youth. As much as grooming is needed, scaling is needed. To do scaling, you don't need medical staff. Each dentist, please put some 10 or 20 or 100 scaling centers from where you will get your business, core business. और किसी को मिलियनर बनाओ, आप बिलियनर बनाओ, उसमें मुझे एक अपॉर्चुनिटी दिखता है. I want all of you to analyze it. If it makes sense, be very powerful.
We would like to felicitate Dr. Velmani by Dr. Vikas Agarwal. Please put your hands together. And Mr. Sandeep Agarwal for a gift. Thank you so much, sir. Thank you so much for taking the time off.